Morning students of the class plus 1. In last video I told you about the how errors propagate in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now there is different topic, that is of significant figures. Before the significant figures, I am going to explain that in every measurement, whenever we do any measurement, it involves some errors. Let's take example. If we measure the length of any body by simple scale, so yes, if you measure it, that ma'am it's 2.3 centimeter, or means we can say whether it's 2.3 or a little bit more than 2.3. We are not accurate about whether it's exact 2.3 or not. Means it may have the value between 2.3 and 2.4 or 2.2 or 2.3. Means it has the maximum error of 0.1 centimeter. Or if we say that its value is 2.32 centimeter, so you will say yes, it's more accurate. Now it's the accurate up to 0.01 centimeter. There is the more accuracy. So for finding the accuracy, we come across the significant figures. So what are significant figures? In our measurement means the number of digits about which we are confident plus one uncertain digits. For example, हमने मेज़र की थी लेंथ 2.32 सेंटीमीटर. Now it means कि 2.3, 2 and 3, these measurements are accurate. But about 2, we are not confident. It may be 3 also, it may be 4 also. Means 2.32 में 2 digits हमारे confident हैं, and but one digit is it's not confident कि whether it is 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it is. Means significant figures are now 3. Means number of significant figures किसके equal हो गए? Means number of digits about which we are confident plus first uncertain digits. They are known as significant figures. Means larger the significant figures, more will be the accuracy. Means if the length is 2.3, so it is less accurate. But if the length is measured 2.34, it's more accurate. Means larger the significant figures, the accuracy is more. ज़्यादा accuracy है. Now there are certain rules for finding the number of significant figures in any measurement. First rule हमारा क्या है कि all non-zero digits are significant. For example, the value is x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. All the digits are non-zero digits. It means इसमें significant figures कितने होंगे? 4 होंगे. Suppose value is x is equal to 1, 4, 3. Significant figures कितने हैं? 3. So one rule is there कि all the non-zero digits are always significant. Now what about zeros? If non-zero digits are significant, तो what about zeros? तो zero के लिए first rule हमारा क्या है कि trapped zero. Trapped zero means the zero between the two non-zero digits. For example, x is equal to 1.004. These two zeros are in between 1 and 4, and that's why number of significant figures are 4. And x is equal to 234007. So number of significant and x is equal to 234007 में significant figures कितने हो गए? 6. Now what about other zeros? If there are initial zeros, so they are not significant. Let's take example 0.001. So these zeros are initial zeros. So they are not significant. Significant figures are 1. And 0.312. In that case, the significant figures are only 3. This 0 is not significant. But if we take the case 0.0204, these two zeros are initial zeros. They are not significant, but this 0 is the trapped 0. So that's why significant figures are 3. Now this was the initial zeros, but what are ending zeros? What about this? Ending zero means they are also called trailing zero also. Suppose x is equal to 2.00. 2.00, these zeros are after decimal. So these zeros are significant, and that's why significant figures are 3. And 3.120 mein, this zero is also after decimal, so that's why significant figures are 4. But in that case, if x is equal to 200, तो 200 में जो दो zeros हैं, they are not after decimal and they are ending zero, so they are not significant, and that's why significant figures are 1 only. But in other case, if x is equal to 20.00, in that case, these zeros are after decimal, that's why they are significant, and this zero is now in between significant figures, that's why that is also significant. Now the significant figures are 4. Means ending zeros are significant if they are after decimal. Now what about if the measurement is in the form of orders? Order of magnitude is never significant. For example, x is equal to 2.1 into 10 to power 3. तो अबाउट 10 to power 3 इट हैज़ नो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. 2.1 में आपके दो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स हैं, तो डेट्स वाई इन दैट मेजरमेंट सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स आर 2 ओनली. एंड इफ वी राइट 2.010 इंटू 10 to power 6, तो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स आर 4 ओनली. नथिंग अबाउट द 10 to power 6. If we have x is equal to 200, तो significant figure is 1 because these zeros are ending 0 but they are not after decimal. So we can write it in the form of 2 into 10 to power 2 also. So that's why significant figures are 1. And x is equal to 1400. 1400 में these zeros are ending 0 but they are not after decimal. That's why significant figure is 2. और 1.4 इंटू 10 to power 3 अगर हम इसको लिखें, अब भी सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स 2 हुए. वी कैन नॉट राइट 1400 इक्वल टू 1.400 इंटू 10 to power 3 बिकॉज इन दैट केस सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स 4 हो जाएंगे. तो दैट्स वाई हम 1400 को ये नहीं लिख सकते. सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स मस्ट रिमेन अनचेंज्ड. इफ देयर इज प्योर नंबर, तो दे आर हैविंग इनफाइनाइट सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the perimeter of any square that is equal to 4a. So this 4 is the number of sides. That is a constant quantity. So in that case, this 4 may be written as 4.0000, whatever it is. It has infinite significant figures. For example, area of the cube is 6a square. So this 6 has infinite significant figures. Suppose light speed, that is 3 into 10 to power 8, that is a constant quantity, so it has also infinite significant figures. And now in other video we will find ki how we can do addition, subtraction including significant figures. Thank you.